Let's see what's going on in the garden. I planted these flowers because we're gonna look at the mason bees in a second, but they needed some more flowers. Also cleaned up some strawberries. There's giant fern growing there. Planted some more flowers. These are actually all seedlings from some flowers that overwintered and, well, seeds overwintered and flowers started to grow. More flowers. If you look really closely, we got some peas that are coming up. This kale overwintered and is bolting right now. So it's going to flower and I'm going to let it do so because we need to feed our bees. The tulips came up. They're in the shade, so they're always kind of late bloomers. Here are the bees and their cocoons. They just got put out yesterday, so none of them have hatched yet. Some cilantro here. The ironwort or Greek mountain tea got replanted and put back in the garden bed so it can thrive. These are volunteer potatoes from last year. More cilantro. This sage plant has some nice new growth at the bottom. In fact, I think I'm gonna trim off her tops. A couple volunteer onions. The first of the asparagus spears. Blueberry flowers. Ostrich ferns have sprung their new fronds. No, I didn't harvest any of them to eat one of these days. And the beautiful carnivorous Darlingtonia. And look, there are no blackberries there. The thankless job I did, which was remove the invasive blackberries from my neighbor's side yard.